Hey everybody, welcome back to the shack. Today we're continuing to work on the Mustang. And today we're going to do a little bit of machining. We're going to make a bung to go in this piece of steel pipe out of the intake system to make a bung for the intake temp sensor. So I got a piece of mild steel bar here that we're going to make the bung out of. And we're going to make it so we can put this intake temp sensor into this piece of pipe here to relocate it from the intake manifold where it was getting heat soaked, so we can get a better intake temp sensor reading for the computer. So let's get started. So we got our bung all machined up here. See there, it's got a little step on there to register in the hole we drilled into the pipe. So we got our pipe all prepped up, the hole drilled, and paint knocked off of it so we can weld to it good. And so there's a step on this bung I made so it registers and limits the travel so it won't fall through while I'm trying to weld it. So then I can have it just sit on there and I can weld that bung on there, and then we can paint it and it's ready to go back on the car.
Later that same evening.
Alright, so we got it all bung all welded in there, and I went ahead and threw a coat of paint on it while it was hot. And now we just gotta let the paint dry and it's ready to go back in the car, and we're ready to continue on trying to get this thing running. Thanks for watching.